Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM from Ruin to Refresh. PJ here, and in this episode we're going to be doing another DMC challenge, and this one's quite special. It's our annual Paint It Blue challenge, where you can take any vehicle, model, whatever it may be, and paint it blue in recognition of the Alzheimer's Society. So we've set up a Just Giving page. I'll put a link in the description below if you wish to make a donation. We've already raised £160, smashing our previous record of £106. So my thanks on behalf of everybody at the DMC to those that have donated. It means a lot to us. But anyway, so my choice is going to be this Corgi Oldsmobile Super 88. It's a fairly simple model. It's not going to be something complicated, this one. So I've got 4 days left to do it. I've left it a little bit too late, but that's what we're going to be doing. So let's get the tools out and see what we can do with this one. And I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. So welcome to the reveal, folks, of our Corgi Toys Oldsmobile Super 88. Nice little model, this one. Did give me a bit of an issue with the stripe. I was going to go with a more royal blue and replace the white. That failed miserably. I tried to hand paint it and it bled all over the place. So what I ended up doing was repainting the whole lot, to be fair. I have to hold my hands up. Stripped it and did it again, masked it off and then sprayed it white. So it's more like the original than a custom. So yeah, pretty much a close on restoration, this one. Perhaps a different shade of blue, but it looks quite nice, I think. Didn't have to do anything with the wheels and tyres, they were in pretty good nick. All we had to do then was to add some highlights to the front and back bumpers and just a dot of red paint for the brake lights at the back. So it goes without saying that I'd like to thank everybody who's taken part in this Paint It Blue challenge. It's one of our most successful. We've had over 20, I think we've had 24 entries at the last count. Raised over well in excess of £160 by the time it's all in. We've smashed it. And that'll all go to the Alzheimer's Society. This is the second time we've done this, and it's only getting bigger and better. Thank you to everybody who supports Midlife Models. It's much appreciated. And you can catch me and most of the boys on the DMC Facebook group. That's the Diecast and Modelers Community Facebook group. Come and join us. It's a lot of fun. We have some cracking Friday nights in our virtual pub. You've got to be a little bit thick-skinned at sometimes, but it's a cracking night, and I always appreciate the chaps joining me, the taverners, as they've now become known. 3 visits, you become a taverner. So come and join us. And yeah, we're back on track, I think, on Midlife Models. So this is PJ signing off. Thanks for the support, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.